in this video we're going to have a couple of K trains. This first one is K423. Nice surprise there with a couple of Canadian Pacific locomotives on it. K423 is an ethanol train headed from Bensenville, Illinois down to Tampa, Florida. Wound up using my daughter's footage for this train. This is from her iPhone. My GoPro I put a little bit too low on the tracks and didn't have the angle quite right, so it wasn't very good footage. Again, make sure you check her videos and photos out on Instagram under Railway Roses. And about 10 minutes after K423 went south on the tracks, K812 came by northbound. This one is empty phosphate cars headed from Mulberry, Florida up to the Chicago Clearing Yard in Illinois. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the like button down below. Give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.